Ever pondered over the mayhem that ensued when TikTok, the widely popular social media app, was temporarily banned in the United States? It was a roller coaster, to say the least. Here's what happened. In the middle of the roaring 20s, TikTok found itself in the eye of a storm. The US government, citing national security concerns due to the app's Chinese ownership, mandated that TikTok either sell to a US company or face a shutdown. A wave of uncertainty swept over TikTok's 170 million US users as they started exploring alternative platforms. In the midst of this chaos, a glimmer of hope emerged. President-elect Donald Trump announced his intentions to delay the ban, offering a lifeline to the beleaguered app. The Supreme Court upheld the law requiring TikTok to sell, but this new development brought a different twist to the tale. As the dust settled, it turned out that Trump's plan to save TikTok involved US ownership. But ByteDance, the Chinese parent company of TikTok, had no plans to sell. Caught in a deadlock, TikTok was temporarily shut down for over 12 hours. But like the phoenix rising from the ashes, TikTok roared back to life. The app was restored following Trump's assurance to prevent a permanent ban. So, the curtains fell on this drama, with TikTok officially back in the US, working on restoring service to its vast user base. In summary, TikTok's temporary ban in the US sent shockwaves through the social media landscape. The app was caught between a rock and a hard place, with the US government's national security concerns on one side and ByteDance's refusal to sell on the other. However, Trump's intervention turned the tide, leading to the restoration of the app. So, the next time you scroll through your TikTok feed, remember the turbulent journey it took to get there. It's a tale of resilience, a testament to the power of social media, and a reminder of how quickly the digital landscape can change. And in the end, it was the users who emerged victorious, with their beloved app back in their hands. Thank you for watching Topics on Trend. Go ahead and check out another trending video on our channel here.